If you're into spotting hidden value before the crowd catches on, you're in the right place. This is Insightful Value, where we dig deep into companies that might be flying under the radar. And today's spotlight is on Boise Cascade. Yes, the stock has been sliding, but the bigger question is, has the market overlooked something crucial? Let's find out. Quick note, this review is purely for educational and informational purposes only. It's not financial advice, so do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now, Boise Cascade, this is a company built around the backbone of America's infrastructure, wood. Headquartered in Boise, Idaho, this company is a major producer and distributor of wood products and building materials. They operate in two segments: wood products, which manufactures engineered wood like plywood and LVL, and building materials distribution, which handles logistics across the U.S. They serve residential, commercial, and industrial construction markets. So why is the stock down? A lot of it comes down to macro trends. The housing market has cooled off a bit, and commodity prices, especially lumber, have been highly volatile. That affects short-term earnings, and Wall Street tends to react quickly to declining margins. But that's not the full story. Boise Cascade still posted over $6 billion in revenue last year and maintained a solid gross profit margin despite the downturn. They have a history of strong free cash flow and minimal long-term debt, which gives them a strong foundation in tough times. And they've used that cash wisely, boosting shareholder returns through dividends and strategic reinvestments. The dividend yield is currently modest but consistent, and their payout ratio is conservative, which suggests sustainability even when earnings take a hit. What's particularly interesting from a value perspective is how cheaply the stock is trading. On a PE basis, Boise Cascade is well below the industry average, which suggests the market may be pricing in too much pessimism. That's where long-term investors might find opportunity. The company is also investing in capacity expansion and technology upgrades, which could pay off when housing and construction demand rebounds. At Insightful Value, we specialize in unpacking these kinds of stories. We take a closer look at companies that may be undervalued not because they're broken, but because they're misunderstood. We cut through the financial jargon to give you straight-up insights into what really matters. So if you're tired of hype and speculation and want real data-backed analysis, check us out at insightfulvalue.com. You'll find deep dives like this one on Boise Cascade, plus fresh breakdowns every week on other overlooked stocks. If you got value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got a lot more in store. And of course, for more detailed write-ups and financial insights, head over to insightfulvalue.com.